Factors that determine people's attitude to work. The way you think or feel about something. Sasa umeelewa sasa. You're usually told change your attitude towards a particular subject, yes? So you change your what? How you feel about something, yes? So here now we are talking about how people feel, what determines how people feel about a particular work, or how they think. Number one is level of education. Your level of education automatically will determine how you feel about a particular type of work. So I'll read. Most people in Kenya and the world at large have received formal education and training. So the levels of education determine the kind of employment one person gets. So people working in the organization will receive different salaries based on their level of education. And this also determines their what? It determines their attitude, depending on the salary that you're doing what? You're receiving. And this goes hand in hand according to the level of what? Education. What is the level of education? Then availability of opportunities also determine your attitude towards work. Yes? How many available opportunities are there? Yes? There are many, like the 3 jobs I've told you, there are opportunities which are readily available. If you are a teacher today, you can go to your next what? To the next primary school in your area and teach, or the next secondary school in your area, you seek for employment. As long as you have the TSC number, they are going to do what? To recruit you. It's very easy to get work. So they're available opportunities. That's why people keep on telling you you do such jobs. But what other available opportunities? Which type of job or work that has very limited opportunities? Which is that? Tell me an example of work that has very, or in the job market it has very few opportunities. You don't know any? How many people here usually do? In this school I've never seen a student doing actuarial science. You know about actuarial science? Most students go to do actuarial science. You still need to get like an A minus. The person who did Eden, is it an A or A minus? Actuarial science. There are very limited opportunities in the country currently. So such type of jobs, it has. So availability of the opportunities also determine your attitude towards work. Stiff competition. Yes. So people try to protect their own jobs. And some people also resort to unethical behavior. So there is stiff competition in the market. You can be qualified here to be recruited in the armed forces. But because there is stiff competition and people are bribing, yes, you won't be able to get that what? You won't be able to get into that particular work, even if you have interests or you are talented. So, and also work is impersonal in the traditional African communities. Yes, it is impersonal in that if you look at when you're talking about attitude, in the traditional African communities, work was what? Was very communal. So people cared about each other. But if you go to the secular attitude towards work, it is very impersonal. People don't care about each other. You care about yourself and the particular work that you do what? You do. You don't care whether I'm going to get a promotion and the other person is going to lose and they're qualified. It's very impersonal. And also, people work for personal gain and gratification. Personal gain, you don't care about the other person. You only care about yourself. So that is another attitude towards work.